Small backyard spaces are often overlooked, but with thoughtful design, they can become the most inspiring parts of a home. Today, we are exploring why small modern backyard design is so important and the key elements that make it work. Designing a small backyard isn't just about making it look good. It's about creating an intentional space where you can relax, entertain, and reconnect with nature, no matter the size of the lot. In cities and growing neighborhoods, maximizing every square foot has become more important than ever. A smart modern design turns a small area into an extension of your home, giving you breathing room, adding property value, and creating a space that reflects your lifestyle.
Hello, and a very warm welcome to Vision Space. If you love architecture, interior design, and landscape design inspirations, you've found the perfect place to spark your creativity. Joining us for the first time? We're glad to have you. Subscribe and become part of our wonderful community.
So, what are the key design aspects to focus on? Number 1, clean lines and simple shapes. Modern means minimal clutter. Use straight lines for patios, garden beds, and walkways to create a clean, organized look. Number 2, smart zoning. Divide the backyard into purposeful areas, like a small seating zone, a garden corner, and maybe a fire pit or water feature. Even in tiny spaces, creating zones makes the area feel larger and more functional. Number 3, layered greenery. Use a mix of low plants, shrubs, and small trees. Layering greenery adds depth and makes the small yard feel lush and full without being crowded. Number 4, multifunctional furniture. Choose seating with built-in storage, foldable tables, or vertical gardening walls. Flexibility is key when space is tight. Number 5, lighting. Strategically placed outdoor lighting, like string lights, uplights, and lanterns, not only enhances beauty, but extends usability into the evening hours. Number 6, vertical elements. Use vertical space. Think trellises, green walls, or tall, narrow planters. This draws the eye upward and adds greenery without using up precious floor area. Number 7, minimal color palette. Stick to 2 to 3 main colors in your hardscape, furniture, and decor. A restrained palette keeps the space calm and visually unified. Number 8. Textures and materials. Mix smooth concrete, warm wood, soft outdoor fabrics, and natural stone. A variety of textures keeps the space interesting without adding clutter. Number 9. Privacy solutions. Use modern fencing, tall planters, pergolas, or even outdoor curtains to create privacy while maintaining a light, airy feel. At the end of the day, designing a small modern backyard isn't about size. It's about purpose. With a clear plan and a few smart choices, you can turn even the smallest outdoor area into a private retreat you'll actually want to spend time in. Whether it's morning coffee, late-night conversations, or weekend gatherings, your backyard should feel like yours. Design it to fit your lifestyle, and it'll reward you every single day. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more home, interior, and outdoor inspiration. See you in the next video.